Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we're going to talk about Unit 5, Enlargement. Now, question 6. Shape A has been enlarged to give shape B. A. What is the scale factor of enlargement? Now, to find the scale factor, what do we do? Let's go and check the key point. The key point here says, to find the scale factor of enlargement, compare the lengths of corresponding sides. So we have to compare the corresponding sides. Divide the large one on the small one, and you will get the scale of enlargement. Now let's go back to the question and check. Now to find the scale factor, we have to compare the corresponding sides. When we take a look at the two shapes, corresponding sides means what? It means the same sides from the small one to the big one. For example, this one is corresponding to this one. And this one is corresponding to this one. This is the meaning of corresponding sides. It means the same side on the new shape. Now, for example, let's take this and compare them to each other. Here, we have two boxes. 1, 2, or 2 centimeters. We can take a box as 1 centimeter and compare the lengths of the new shape to the old shape. Now this one is 2 centimeters. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 boxes or 6 centimeters. When we divide 6 on 2, we will have what? Very good, we will have 3. So the scale factor is 3. We multiplied the sides by 3 to get the new shape or the new image. And this is the answer of question A. Let's write it together. First, let's remove these. Yes. So the scale factor is 3. Very good. Now copy the diagram. Use straight lines to join equivalent vertices on the object and image. He needs you to connect the points, the corresponding points, for example, this and this together. So we will make small points here. So we can note here, 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 and we go to the small shape here, here, and here. Now let's connect them with lines. Here, this one connects this. Okay. Now we connect this. We are connecting the corresponding sides, remember that, or the corresponding points, and you have to be very clear with that. Now the last point here, this one with this one. Okay, good. Now what did we do? We connected the corresponding sides, we used straight lines, and we connected the equivalent vertices on the object and the image. Now, as you can see here, the lines meet up in one point. You can see it here. The lines meet up together in one point. We will talk about this point now. Question C, what are the coordinates of the center of enlargement? Use the lines you drew in part B. Now, the point that they connected in, or that they meet in, the coordinates of this point, this is the center of enlargement. This is the center of enlargement. So how do you find center of enlargement? First, we talked about how to find the scale factor. We said that we take the large side of a corresponding two sides and divide it on the small one. We will get the scale factor. But to find the center of enlargement, we connect the corresponding vertices, for example, or points. We connect them together. The lines of these connected vertices will meet in one point. This point is the center of enlargement. Now, the coordinates of this point, x is what? Very good. X is here, so it's 0. And y is 3. Good. So the coordinates will be 0, 3. We will write it here. 0, 3. These are the coordinates of the point that they meet in. And this is question C. Now question D, copy and complete to describe. The enlargement from A to B, as he said, from A to B, center of enlargement at what? Center of enlargement at, as we said, 3, 0, and 3. And remember, you have to say the x first and then the y when you describe coordinates. This is very important. And the scale factor was what? Very good. It was 3. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.